Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start communicating in Filipino with Clozemaster, full guide step by step clearly. To start communicating in Filipino with Clozemaster, first, visit the Clozemaster website or download the app. Create an account if you haven't done so yet. Once logged in, select the Filipino language option from the list of available languages. Familiarize yourself with the interface. The main screen will show you various categories including sentences, vocabulary, and themed content. Start with the sentences section to learn contextually. Choose a difficulty level that suits your current skill set. You will now see fill-in-the-blank sentences in Filipino. Read each sentence carefully and try to guess the missing word. You can hover over the sentence for hints if you're stuck. Once you have made your guess, submit your answer. Clozemaster will provide instant feedback. If you are correct, you will earn points and proceed to the next sentence. If not, take note of the correct answer. You can also listen to the pronunciation by clicking on the speaker icon. Make use of the quiz mode for more focused learning. Explore different themes such as food, travel, or daily activities for a varied learning experience. Set daily goals to keep yourself motivated. Track your progress through the stats section. Engage with other users in the community forums to practice even more. Regularly practice to build your vocabulary and confidence in communicating. Take advantage of Clozemaster's spaced repetition system to reinforce your learning. Enjoy the journey of learning Filipino and immerse yourself in the language. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.